This was quite a soft landing compared to what was experienced in earlier models. Venera 7 had no trouble surviving the impact thanks to its tough build and sophisticated tech. After touchdown, the probe continued transmitting data back to Earth for the next 53 minutes. It was Venera 7 that informed scientists that the actual temperature on Venus is about 900 degrees Fahrenheit, with a pressure of 9 megapascals. Venera 8 was a step up from Venera 7. The space probe was launched in 1972, and it was equipped with similar instruments as its predecessors. After the 118-day journey from Earth to Venus, Venera 8 capsule entered the chaotic Venus atmosphere. This time, the Soviet space program upgraded the landing systems beyond the regular parachute so Venera 8 could brake in the air. This helped reduce the landing speed and allowed this spacecraft to land very softly. However, like Venera 7, Venera 8 could only withstand the harsh Venus climate for about 50 minutes. That was the amount of time scientists were able to collect any data from this spacecraft. Luckily, scientists were able to get data on the lighting conditions on Venus. This was important, as it would determine whether or not it would be possible to take photos on Venus. Data from this space probe also showed that the clouds on Venus were at a higher altitude than researchers had previously thought. Venera 8 also sent back data regarding the composition of Venus soil. The concentration of elements like uranium, thorium, and potassium were all measured, as well as some other elements found on our earthen soil. The Venera 7 and 8 missions were the real game changers for Soviet space exploration. It's quite fascinating that these man-made devices not only made it through Venus's horrific clouds and heat, but also touched down successfully, and even analyzed the treacherous planet before giving in. Remember that all of this happened back in the 70s. The technology available back then is nothing compared to what we have now. The Soviet Union was truly a formidable rival to the US in the space race. But the Soviets weren't satisfied with these achievements. They set their eyes on getting a glimpse of Venus to find out what it actually looked like. And so, Venera 9 to 12 missions focused on getting a picture of the hot, rocky planet. Armed with cameras, the Venera 9 to 12 missions explored Venus, taking a few pictures here and there. These images weren't much to go by, but they revealed the harsh, treacherous landscape Venus had been hiding from astronomers all this while. Scientists saw rocky landscape, impact craters, and vast plains filled with ancient lava. No sign of water anywhere on Venus, not even a drop. These revelations were shocking, as they showed that Venus didn't just possess a horrible atmosphere.